Hi, my name is Rajnish Anand. I have recently completed MCA from Ganpati University and was looking to build a career in software testing and quality assurance. As a fresher, I had very little knowledge on how software testing is applied at industry standards or what skills company expects from a QA professionals. So one of my friend who previously had completed a software testing course from STAD Solution recommended it to me. Through his positive feedback and learning experience, I decided to join the course. My experience with STAD Solution was very positive. They helped me understand different software processes such as manual testing, automation testing, and industry best practices. The mentors and trainees were very supportive and were willing to help me whenever I needed help. My expectation was to gain practical knowledge and understand how testing is applied on real world project, and I can confidently say that my expectations were met, and I would recommend anyone who wishes to build a career in software testing to join STAD Solution for proper knowledge and career guide.